Welcome guys to SKY-CAD Technology. On today's tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to model this 3D block. So let's get started. Now let's work on top plane, center rectangle, dimension 120 by 80. Center rectangle, (100 by 60). Let's make it construction. Let's dimension 20 in diameter. Now let's add relation to the four of them. I simply hold down my control, I select on this circle, this, and this, and I make it equal. Let's dimension 13. Let's add the relation to the four of them. Let's dimension this 63. Dimension it 32. For a smaller circle, 10. Now let's trim out here. Close up here. Now let's extrude. I go to features, extrude. I select here, thickness of 12. I select here, and here. So we have this. I'll simply click on this drop down. I click on sketch 1, click on extrude boss base. I'll click on this contour, my extrude of 15. Click on sketch 1, extrude, select on this contour, and this, and this. Just these two here, and I make it distance of 90. I click on this sketch, extrude. I will select on this contour here, keep a distance of 95. Now let's fillet. I go to fillet radius of 2. Click here, I'm having this. Ctrl 7. Now I sketch on my front plane. Go to center rectangle. Let's add our dimension 30 by 20. Let's add a distance from here to here, 16. I go to features, extruded cut, using the direction of through all boats. So let's fillet also. On this edge, also this edge, and here. Fillet radius of 2. So we're having this. Ctrl 7, my symmetric view. Now let's change the appearance. Simply click on part, click on the component. So we're having this. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.